Because once ray optics is over, then ref part is very simple. What I have done so far?
Number of images.
Number of images. That zigzag method I explained here.
Yes, sir.
When it is overlapped?
Yes.
No. When it will be overlapped?
When the sum total is 360.
Sum total is 360. Correct. Now after this theory, now based on this, few MCQs also will start slowly. And that formula also I gave 360 upon theta. If it is n is even, then answer is always n minus 1. For odd, if it is symmetrical, then n minus 1. Unsymmetrical, then same as n. That much I have done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are doing velocity in plane mirror wala part. Velocity in plane mirror. Velocity in plane mirror. Case 1. When object moves perpendicular to the mirror. See, object can move in three different ways: perpendicular, inclined, parallel. So case 1, object is moving perpendicular to the mirror. So if this is object at distance x from plane mirror, then image will be formed behind. X and y, are they same for plane mirror?
Yes.
But x is on the left, so I'm writing minus x equal to y. Therefore, x we can write minus y with respect to mirror. Huh? Now, dx upon dt, can we say minus dy by dt by taking derivative? Can we?
Yes.
So, velocity of ये किसका object है ना? Velocity of object is minus of that of image. This much followed, I think.
Yes.
Velocity of object is opposite of that of image. See, image will come on the left side. So I wrote here minus, and object will go on the right side. I wrote plus. So just write first one, first formula.
Sir, the previous formula, the odd one formula is left when n is odd.
When any sort of description is left.
Yes.
Okay, just write this for नीचे note करके दिखा देता हूँ. Otherwise, if you have not started that, write down when n is odd. When n is odd, then for symmetrical position, image equal to n minus 1. For symmetrical position, image equals to n minus 1. For unsymmetrical, image equals to for unsymmetrical, image equals to n. Now you can write then velocity in plane.
Done, sir.
So velocity of object is opposite to that of velocity of image. Velocity of object is opposite to that of image. So we can say that is velocity of object with respect to mirror is opposite to the velocity of image with respect to mirror. This is nothing but velocity of object minus velocity of mirror equals to minus of velocity of image minus mirror. So object minus mirror equals to image minus plus mirror. So velocity of object plus velocity of image equals to 2 times velocity of mirror. Object plus image divided by 2 is velocity of mirror. Write this formula also. Velocity of object plus image upon 2 is velocity of mirror. Okay, done. Can I start with one numerical based on this?
Yes, sir.
So just remember, when image for plane mirror, object is moving perpendicular, then object is opposite to image, and for mirror formula, it is object plus image upon 2 is mirror, because sometimes mirror can also move. Now this is one mirror. Moving with velocity of 2 meter per second. Object is moving with velocity of 5 meter per second. Find velocity of image. See, if mirror is at rest, then velocity of image will be minus 5, just opposite of this. Or if I take this is left going to the right plus, that will be minus. Now we want image when mirror is also moving to the left hand side with velocity of 2. Option is minus 5 meter per second, minus 7 meter per second. Third option minus 3 meter per second and minus 9 meter per second. Now we know velocity of mirror is velocity of object plus image upon 2. Mirror is 2 but on the left hand side, therefore minus 2. Object is 5 on the right hand side. Image we have to calculate upon 2. So minus 4 equals to 5 plus velocity of image. That means it is minus 9 equals to velocity of image. Okay, got it? Option D. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please do this much. Then EMI by Friday you have to complete, or by Sunday you complete. Take this much target. Monday onwards, maximum will start doing ray optics and wave optics part. Till that, iska theory and only entrance MCQ of electromagnetism till Sunday. See, I'd send you one news regarding that reduction of syllabus. But once again, I got the message that was that has been taken back. Same syllabus will be there this year, no reduction.
Done, sir.
Now case 2, when object moves parallel to mirror. When object is moving parallel to the mirror. So this is mirror, object, image, distances are same. This is velocity of object. This will be velocity of image. Both are moving parallel. So velocity of object is same as image. Both are moving upward or both will move downward. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In case of parallel, there is no opposition in sign. Both are same. Velocity of object is same as that of image. Next we'll see velocity is suppose inclined, then how it will be. Okay, just draw this, then I'm clearing the screen.
Done, sir.
एक MCQ हो गया, second देखते हैं. This is mirror and object is moving with 545 degree with velocity of 5√2. So it will have two components. This is velocity given inclined. So this velocity will have two components. One is 5. दोनों 5 आ जाएगा ना शायद.
हाँ.
5 और इधर भी 5. This is perpendicular वाला component and this is parallel वाला. ठीक है. अभी इमेज देखते हैं. For perpendicular, V image is minus of V object, correct? No?
Yes.
So V image will be minus of 5.
Yes.
This is moving to the right. So plus 5, image will be minus 5. For parallel, V image is same as V object, which will be same as 5. So can I say image distance will be minus 5 I cap plus 5 j cap in vector form, and its magnitude, if they ask, it will be root of minus 5 square plus 5 square, which will be same as 25, that means 5√2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
ये लिख लो, मतलब वो ऐसा जाएगा ना 5√2 with j same and I उल्टा, ऐसा हो जाएगा ना इमेज. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next. Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third one. This is 5 meter per second, making angle 37 with horizontal. We want what is image velocity. This object. Find velocity. Here mirror is also moving with 2 meter per second. So find velocity of image with respect to find velocity of image. This is mirror. Objects to velocity will find perpendicular and parallel. So V object in perpendicular. What will be cos 37? You are knowing
4/5.
cos 37 is 4/5 and sin 37
3/5.
3/5.
3/5. So this will be 5 times cos 37, which is 4/5. So can I say 4?
Yes.
And in parallel, what will be velocity? 3?
3.
Okay. So image we want, mirror is also rotating, with, moving with 2 meter per second on the right side. So can I say for perpendicular velocity of object plus image upon 2 is velocity of mirror?
Yes.
Then V object is 4. 4 on the left or right? Four is on the left or right?
Left.
नहीं नहीं ये 4 right है ना? Right है ना? Right है.
Yes, sir.
Plus image मालूम नहीं upon 2. Object is -2 because it is moving on the left. Okay. So 4 plus
Yes, sir.
image is -4. The image is -8 meter per second. That means this image is going in this direction by -4. The image perpendicular. Now V for parallel, let us see what we get for parallel position. For parallel, V image is always V object, which is nothing but 3. Therefore, V of image in vector form is -8 I cap plus 3 J cap. In magnitude -8 square plus 3 square, which is 64 plus 9 in root. That is equals to root of 73. This does. Yes, followed full. This also?
Yes, sir.
It's simple because it was not taught in state board syllabus. Sometimes we may not know. So in parallel, velocity remains same. In perpendicular, when the mirror is changing, it will change.
Done, sir.
जरा देखो ना अल्फा, मैंने भेजा व्हाट्सएप वापस। अब एक से भेजते हो दूसरे से कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं करते, समझा कैसा यार, दो दो मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हो तो उसमें लिखा है ना फर्स्ट वाले में चेंज करो 9%, वो चेंज करके फिर से भेजो फर्स्ट और सेकंड। अभी तक फर्स्ट और सेकंड परफेक्ट नहीं हुआ है अपना। Yes, done, na? One question I'm giving for you. Let me see whether you can manage. In this case, I guess next one, see. This is the mirror. Mirror is also moving with 5 meter per second, but making angle 37. And this is object with 2 root 2 meter per second at an angle of 45 degrees. Question is find velocity of image, and second is find speed of image. Speed means magnitude, velocity will be with direction. So this is mirror moving with 5 meter per second incline at 37. So this component will be 4 and this will become 3 meter per second upwards. This is object 2 root 2 incline. So this will be 2 in vertical and 2 will be in horizontal. So V perpendicular equals to 2 for object. V mirror in perpendicular direction is 4 in magnitude. Both are right, so plus plus. Now for perpendicular, V object plus image upon 2 is mirror. Object is 2, image I don't know, mirror is 4, so image will become 4 2s are 8 minus 2, so V image perpendicular is 6. Okay, 6 plus
Yes,
we
sir.
got answer. That means image is also moving like this. Color change that out. This means image is going like this towards right by 6. Now for parallel, let us see. For parallel, the image in parallel is same as V object in parallel irrespective of mirror motion. So this will be equals to 2. So now image is moving ये 2, ठीक है ना, ऐसा नहीं है ऐसा, तो दोनों का रिजल्टेंट इधर एक होएगा ऐसे इधर. So this will be at 6 I cap plus 2j cap and its magnitude is root of 6 square plus 2 square, which is 36 plus 4 root 40, which we can write 2 root 10. Complete this one. इससे डिफिकल्ट नहीं आएगा. All conditions we have taken. Mirror moving, mirror rest, mirror moving inclined. All conditions we took.
Done, sir.
Oh, Rahul, video off kara. So far what we have done was, from the start, what we have done in this chapter, ray optics. Are you remembering what we did so far? We did height of the mirror should be h by 2 when boy wants to see him completely. If he is standing in between wall and mirror, then wall will be completely seen when the mirror is h by 3. Then we did one formula, hb upon b plus a is the formula for 2b plus a is the formula for height of the mirror if the person is standing in between. Then we did image ka velocity. This much we have done, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then formation of number of image, velocity of image. अब ये देखो, ये सब जो किया वो रेयरेस्ट केस में आएगा, तो थोड़ा रिवाइज करके रखना. Now spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. This is which type of mirror? Concave? Hello, is it concave mirror?
Yes, sir.
And this one?
Convex.
Convex. So if this is mirror, I join from one end to another end here, mirror, and imagine this to be drawn like this. What is this distance called from here to here? This is called radius of aperture, not curvature. Radius of aperture. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if they confuse you by writing radius of aperture, so radius of aperture is the distance from center to the end of that mirror. Like this is part of the mirror. If you join end to end, this is called diameter of aperture, and this distance will be a radius of aperture. Draw the 3 diagram. And center of the sphere of which lens is a mirror is a part, that is called radius of curvature. This is radius of curvature. Draw the diagram.
Done, sir.
For small aperture, f equals to r by 2. So for us, always we are considering small aperture, focal length will be radius of curvature upon r. Now by chance they say curvature is large. For large aperture, if they give then f will become r minus r by 2 sec theta. It will become r minus r by 2 sec theta. And here theta is nothing but angle between a ray drawn parallel to principal axis will go through center of curvature. So this angle is called theta. This part is so far not asked any time in the exam. Just for your understanding I have given. We have to remember only this. फिर एक लिख लो focal length for concave mirror is negative. Focal length for convex mirror is positive. Focal length for concave mirror negative, convex mirror positive. Same we are going to use for lens.
Done, sir.
For mirror 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. That means 1 upon v will be 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon u equals to u minus f upon uf. So v equals to uf upon u minus f. I will be directly writing v ka this formula. uf upon u minus f. Written this formula for mirror 1 upon f is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u.
Yes, sir.
Convention you are knowing, na? Left hand side negative, right hand side positive. Above positive, below negative. In the direction of incident ray, positive, opposite to incident ray, negative. That means this is incident ray and you are going in the direction to measurement, then positive. If from the center, this is object, so I'm going to the left, which is ulta of incident ray, therefore it is taken negative. So याद रखना, left negative, right positive, ऊपर positive, नीचे negative. In the direction of incident ray, positive. If you are measuring something ulta of this, negative. This is all convention you have to remember. So now two numericals I am doing to explain you the concept of formula as well as convention together. First one. Find the position of image for a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter when object is placed in front of mirror. Find the position for a concave mirror of focal length 10 when object is placed in front of mirror. First, it is placed at 30 centimeter, second 20 centimeter, third 15 centimeter, fourth at 10 centimeter, fifth at 5 centimeter, fifth is 5 centimeter, that is E development, and F at infinity. I'm doing one, rest all cases you can do so that your formula will become perfect. Find the position of the mirror, position of the image. So V we have to find. What is formula shortcut wala? U
UF
upon
minus
U minus F. UF upon U minus F. So first case, U is 30. It is placed on the left hand side, so minus. Hello?
yes, sir.
Object is always on the left hand side, minus. And for concave mirror, focal length is negative, so minus 10 upon U is minus 30, minus of minus 10. So V is 300 upon minus 30 plus 10. Minus 30 plus 10, how much?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. So answer will become minus 15 centimeters. First one clear?
Yes, sir.
Just right. So second also you try so that this formula UF upon U minus F fast हो जाएगा आपसे.
Done, sir.
Done. Second also done. Second what you got?
Minus 20.
Minus 20.
So
Okay.
the minus 20.
बाकी का you do as homework. Next question. For convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, object is placed in front of mirror at 30 centimeter. Find distance of image. Now here convex mirror, therefore F will be plus 20. U is minus 30. Then our V formula, is uf upon f minus u minus f. Try this fast.
12
Plus or minus?
plus.
Correct. So u is minus 30. This is 20 upon minus 30 minus 20. Minus 600 upon minus 50 will become 12 centimeters. Done by everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Linear magnification. Also called as transverse or lateral magnification. सबसे linear magnification, transverse magnification, lateral magnification. It is defined as ratio of height of image to the height of object or distance of image to the distance of object. Hello? Ratio of height of
Yes.
image to the height of object, distance of image to the distance of object. If m is positive, that means height of image upon height of object positive. In this case, object and image both are erect, correct na? That means image and object have same sign. Image is erect and virtual. So first case, if m is positive, then image is erect and virtual. With proper sign convention, when you are using this, then object is always on the left hand side. So this is general formula. Second case, m is negative. So height of image upon height of object is negative. That means image, height of image, height of object are of opposite sign. When opposite means what type of image? Real or virtual?
Real.
So image is real and inverted. And inverted means if the object is downward, image will be upward. Object upward, image downward. So for real image, always m is negative. For virtual image, m is positive. Right? These two conditions.
Done, sir.
Full completed. Everybody understand?
So 1 minute. Done, sir.
Fine. So just now we got nature of image. It can be real, it can be virtual. Real, then M is negative, and virtual, then it is positive. Now we'll see whether it is magnified, diminished, under what condition. See, if magnitude of linear magnification is greater than 1, then magnitude of height of image to the height of object is greater than 1. Height of image is greater than height of object in magnitude. Then it is called magnified. Then image is magnified. Fourth, if magnitude is less than 1, then height of image will be less than height of object. So image is diminished. If M example is equals to -3, what is nature of image?
Real and inverted.
रियल भी है, इन्वर्टेड भी है. मैग्नीफाइड है क्या डिमिनिश्ड है? मैग्नीफाइड है ना, क्योंकि मैग्नीट्यूड इज ग्रेटर देन 1. -3 का मैग्नीट्यूड इज 3. Minus indicates real inverted. 3 indicates magnified because it is greater than 1. Copy. If M is -half, now what? Is it real?
Real, inverted, and diminished.
Yes, real, inverted, and diminished. Write this too. Please revise theory, because when we start with MCQ, theory should be perfect of mirror part with you. First I will complete mirror, then we'll go to lens.
Done, sir.
अभी इसके ऊपर एक न्यूमेरिकल करता हूं. Find the position comma size comma characteristics of image formed by a concave mirror. Of focal length concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter when an object 2 centimeter long is kept in front of it. Kept in front of it at a distance a 15 centimeter and B 5 centimeter. So in first case, focal length f minus 10 because concave mirror. Height of object is 2 centimeter long, kept in front at 15 centimeters, so U is minus 15 centimeters. How to get V now?
UF upon U minus F.
V equals to UF upon U minus F. U is minus 15 into minus 10, minus 15 minus plus 10, so equals to 250 upon minus 5, minus plus, minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5, equals to 15 into 10 150. So is it minus 30 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
So now can you tell me what is position of image at 30 centimeter on the same side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to find nature. Now linear magnification is minus B upon U, which is height of object upon height of image upon height of object. So minus of minus 30 upon U minus 15 equals to height of image upon height of object. So that will become 30 upon minus 15 equals to image upon object. That is minus 2 is height of image upon height of object. So minus 2 height of image we want, object is kitna 2 hai na?
Yes, sir.
2. So what is height of image?
Minus 4.
What does it mean? It is inverted.
सर माइनस 15 क्यों लिखा वहाँ पे?
Object is always on the left hand side, therefore always negative.
सर बट वहाँ पे पहले से माइनस साइन डाला था ना उसको,
इधर
मैग्निफिकेशन माइनस V बाई U, तो वो माइनस U का ही था.
ये फॉर्मूला हमेशा फिक्स होता है, ये माइनस ये फिक्स है, उसके बाद कन्वेंशन यूज करना.
ओके.
ये वो हमेशा वैसा करना. हमें समझ गया जो आप बोल रहे हो, ये ना हर एक के लिए है, वेदर किधर भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो, लेकिन ये बाद में कन्वेंशन से डाल के इमेज आएगा.
ओके.
तो इधर तक कर लो पूरा. So we are getting image real, image inverted at distance of 30 centimeter on the same side of object.
Done, sir.
Okay, B वाला part homework है आपके लिए, that 5 centimeter वाला. So today we stop here. इसका खाली आज revise करना, and after revision of this, please do EMI complete full. Tomorrow in the lecture, I will discuss how many you could not get. As per that, we will keep doubt solving lecture for EMI from PDF which I have given to you. Okay, is that clear now, full till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are meeting tomorrow as usual. In that lecture, I will discuss how many you could not